Kumshi benta ban yasno ktilang ban Rakhe Iaka Sngi kerpang ban Pyrshah yau drugs. Kabalatip kum ka International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ka Tnad Pulit Bhoi District menta ka Sngi ka arpsaw tarik jeliw kala penlong ya ka program ban pensyai halor ka jingma u drugs. Ya ka ka program lasdang da ka jingyat paiba la ni rally kabalasdang namadan NSCA paham sim da ka jingshim benta ki kena school bala penkut ha district library Nongpoh. Hadien katay ka jingyat paiba la penlong ya ka jingyalang ha district library kabalasdang shwa da ka jingya kop kran penwandur la ka education competition ha kabala shim benta da ki kena school baper na ka than Nongpoh bat hadien katay la penlong da ka jingyalang balingkot haka jingdon rengkat u additional deputy commissioner ka Bhoi uba MB Tongper u superintendent of police ka Bhoi u Giri Prasad u deputy superintendent of police crime branch uba B Dingan ka kong E Kharshandi district social welfare officer Bhoi district u subdivisional school education officer ka Bhoi uba Rimius Dhar u district medical and health officer Nongpoh u TS Sangma lembat ki Nonghikai ki kena school bat ki officer na Tnad Pulit. Haka tei ka Sngi la samru ya ki khosnam she ki nongjob haka education competition haka kerdan beningkong la yora da ka ria shebas im haka kerdan baar la yora da ka ilan naumis im ki bana ka school auxilium higher secondary school Nongpoh bat haka kerdan balai la yora da determine singly na St Paul higher secondary school Nongpoh. Batla samru yaki khosnam shekin nongjob haka poster campaign yaka kerdan beningkong layora da ka bada shisha kharmandai yaka kerdan baar layora da ukraw kupar tensong kibana Bhoi college bat yaka kerdan balai layora da uskemlang lapang na St John secondary school.
The theme here is share information save lives. I'm many of you are aware of the theme this year, share information save lives. A lot of stigmatization happens when we know that when a person is addicted to these narcotic substances, and even in the family or in society or in in schools, in institutions, we tend to ostracize them. I think that is that is a very dangerous thing to do. In fact, we need to give them a lot of support, and that's the only way how we can solve this problem. Unfortunately for us, especially the non-school students, Northeast India lies very close to the Golden Triangle, and this is where a lot of drugs are being manufactured. In fact, India is precariously placed between the Golden Crescent in Afghanistan and the Golden Triangle. So a lot of drugs go through this area, and a lot of raw materials for drugs also go from this place to Southeast Asia, and they come back. So if we are not prepared, if we are not aware, it is really catastrophic. And we've seen how how drugs damages lives, damages economies. How many of you have heard about Pablo Escobar? Any of you have heard about Pablo Escobar? Any of you? He's one of the greatest drug lords in Mexico. There are two cartels, the Medellin and the Cali cartel. He totally ravaged the economy in Mexico and by supplying drugs. And this affected everybody, right? Right from the grassroots of society up to the top. And this is a very dangerous thing. For us, we're lucky we have a very, very vigilant police force and and the other organizations, central organizations. Earlier I was with the customs. I was a customs officer earlier. So I had to deal with this firsthand. I was in the anti-smuggling branch. So we had to go to many places in the Northeast, and we seized a lot of drugs. So we saw firsthand the danger of these substances.
And you show signs of it, like you can say you're sometimes nervous, like you are having that mental trauma, that you want to have more drugs. That is the early sign of addiction. And slowly it will affect your physical state too. People who are addicted to drugs, they are suffering from HIV, AIDS, cancer, and we really need to be careful about this because it will also result in death. I mean, drug addiction has resulted in many deaths, especially for young people, young students like me and you. So we really need to be careful. And the addiction is not something that is normal. It's not necessarily it's not normal because drug addiction it happens when you are overdosed. When you're overdosed, you see many people, many famous people have died because of overdose. Like the great celebrity Michael Jackson and all. They died because of drug addiction, and that is why we need to be careful because it can happen anywhere, anytime. And I will conclude my speech. Thank you.